you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I'm going to show you how to remove this prosthetic. I already started this process, which is really easy. I know that a lot of people do a few videos on how to remove it, but really I want to go step by step because I learned all of this myself. If you guys already seen the nurse video, this is the aftermath of it. So I'm here now in my bathroom, as you can tell. This here is called Dissolve, and it's a skin adhesive remover, and it's by Jordane Cosmetics for removal of proper adhesive used in the industrial, and it's scent free, which is great because I am really like sensitive to smells. So normally what I do is I take a Q-tip and I dip it in, and then I just go along the prosthetic, and then once an opening starts, I start to move it upwards. But today I'm going to be using makeup wipes because they're in my other bathroom and my daughter's asleep and I don't want to go in and scare her. So I'm just taking my makeup wipes. Really, you can use your regular makeup wipes or Q-tips, and I'm just really saturating this. So I'm just going to go over the prosthetic, and of course there's liquid latex. So you're going to see this all, see how this is all coming apart? This is how you safely remove a prosthetic, because you know you should never ever try to remove a little bit and then just peel it off, because you will do damage to your skin. So I mean, this is a little bit messy, but in the long run it will definitely save your skin, that's for sure. So I'm just doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera in the other. And as you can see here, see how that's starting to lift? So I'm just going to start rubbing this in here a little bit more, and the remover actually starts to like seep in there, which removes it really nice and soft. So as you can see now, it's starting to open up a little bit more. I'm going to put some more products on it there. And I'm just going to go right around it again. So it is removing the liquid latex and also the spirit gum. So it removes everything, and it removes like the fake blood. It also removes makeup. It's just an all around a very safe remover. And like I said, it is scent free. So if you are sensitive to smells, then you don't need to worry about it. When you're starting off using liquid latex, you should always do a spot check on your wrist just to make sure that you're not allergic to it, and wait for 24 hours. And if there's no redness and no itchiness, then you know you're not allergic to it. And for spirit gum, if you've seen in my videos when I applied it and then I start to dab it, that is the proper way to actually apply it, is because when it starts to get sticky, then you know you could put your prosthetic down. If you just apply it to your skin and then try to put your prosthetic down, it's not going to stick. So that's just a few little tips there. So now, as you can see, the prosthetic is starting to lift up really nice. I am under here, I promise. So I'm just going to go right around this again. And as you can see, it just totally removed that eyeliner. And of course, I will have the link to where I purchased this product too. It's actually a local guy here in Newfoundland. His name is Steve Lewis, and he's from Stage and Studio Supplier. And he ships everywhere, so, and his prices are really good as well. He sells a lot of special effects makeup. So I will have him linked down below to his Facebook page, and you can tell him that I sent you. So as you can see, the prosthetic is starting to come off even more. So I'm just going to slightly just rub along again the seam once again, and look at this. See this, how this is just peeling right off, and it doesn't hurt. Now look at that. No damage to my skin, any excess. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off, and as you can tell, there is no damage to my skin. So that is how you safely remove a prosthetic, because like I said, you definitely don't want to go ahead and try to peel it off, because you will irritate the skin. You will do damage to your skin. So look at this. There's absolutely no redness whatsoever. So that is how you properly remove a prosthetic. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out on how to remove a prosthetic. In all my other Halloween videos, I just show the application of the spirit gum, and then you put on your prosthetic, then you go ahead with your liquid latex to cover up the seam, and then you apply your makeup. Really easy, very, nothing too hard about it. Like I said, definitely do a spot test to make sure that you're not allergic to liquid latex. Just go ahead and do it on your wrist and wait for 24 hours. If there's no irritation, no itchiness, then you're good to go. And yeah, so I really hope that this helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are enjoying my 31 days of Halloween so far. And if you recreate any of the looks that I've done so far, definitely tag me over on Instagram and Nicole Chantell 32. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.